talk about like my personal experience using the accountability journal and planner. And okay, so like I already said at one point, the Lord spoke to me one night, digital planner, and it was like a feeling that I got in my spirit that this was something that he wanted me to work on, a project that he wanted me to work on and dedicate some time to. And so I received the word and I began to act immediately. And I feel like my obedience was like the most important part, just being obedient. And glory be to God. I don't want this to turn into a sermon or a whole message, but obedience, it produces harvest, it produces blessings, and I'm just excited to see how the Lord moves with this accountability journal and planner. But anyways, so I did some research on digital planners and stuff like that, and once I kind of got an idea of what it really was, I began to work on it using my creative skills that the Lord has blessed me with. And it took me about like a week and a half, like working day and night, okay? Day and night on that journal, on that planner. And it's a planner and journal, and that's what I think I love about it the most. And because I have like a background in coaching, it kind of helped me to like turn the planner into a journal that offers accountability as a Christian. And that's what I love the most about that, is that I can be held accountable. I can hold myself accountable with this journal, and I can also plan for the future and plan my days ahead. And the Lord even revealed to me that it's prophetic. When you begin to write down the vision, make it plain, plan your day, it is indeed prophetic. And so today was really my first day like using the planner, okay? Because I did the demo for it and it was kind of like just a quick run through. But this morning, the Lord woke me up at 6 a.m., which I've been getting up early every single day because, like I said, I've been working on this project day and night as led by the Lord. Mind you, this is spontaneous, okay? I'm in a whole different, like, playing field right now on where I have my sights set on, me trying to get stability, get my own place, etc. You guys know. But the Lord put this project on my heart, and I said, again, I wanted to be obedient. So anyways, this morning, the Lord was just like, journal. And I was just thinking to myself, do I want to do that? Because again, this was not my idea. I didn't like have enthusiasm about using it. I would be honest, until this morning when the Lord had me journal. And when I tell you guys, like, instead of waking up this morning and just thinking about my day and like not feeling enthusiastic about it, because I'm like, I'm still waiting to get those keys. I'm still waiting for that stability. I'm still waiting. And the Lord is just like, but what can you be doing in the meantime while you are waiting? And so I open up the journal, and instead of ruminating on what I'm waiting for, or even just scrolling on social media, which I try not to do early in the morning, but lately I've been catching myself doing that, I decided to be obedient once again, open up the journal, and start journaling. I kept saying to myself as I was getting myself ready for the day, like, no, I have to stick to the task that I wrote down in the accountability journal, because I'm going to be held accountable for these things. Even if it's just myself holding myself accountable, I'm going to have to hold myself accountable for these things. And it made me excited. Like, it gave me something to look forward to. And then at the end of the day, it's like I have something to look forward to by going back in there and saying, okay, did I actually perform the task that I had for today? Did I hold myself accountable? And I can check those things off my list. And I can also plan for tomorrow. And so if I plan for tomorrow this evening with the Lord, then I can wake up with something to look forward to as I'm waiting, because I don't necessarily have an hour or a day of when exactly this promise is going to be fulfilled. I know that it's coming and it's right around the corner, but to have but to not know exactly the day or the hour, it can sometimes be daunting. And so the Lord is saying, in the meantime, what are you doing in the meantime? And so now I have something to look forward to. I'm excited because I know that we're in a crossover season. This is, in a sense, preparing me for what's to come. And so, yeah, I'm excited. And like I said in my last video about it, I made this for us. And I know that for some people, you're probably like, well, I don't have anything going on in my life right now because of the season that I'm in of just waiting. I'm telling you now, you will have something to write down in that journal, because I thought I was not going to have anything to write down in that journal. And so, yeah, it changed my perspective. I went from kind of feeling like a little downcast to actually having like some joy and some pep in my step. And now I can go into my journal this evening. I can give an account for my day and I can prepare for tomorrow. And if that is something that really resonates with you, if that's something that you feel would bless you, I would highly encourage you to go ahead and check out the planner. The link will be in the bio or in the description, the comment section. So yeah, if you're looking for a new way to hold yourself accountable in this season of waiting for that crossover to come to pass, and even once you arrive at your destination, at that promise, you're going to need to hold yourself accountable, because what God is doing is not going to be like what you've already experienced in your lifetime. It's going to be something new. So I encourage you to check it out. I love you guys.